Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve the issue where you're seeing a black screen when trying to activate the Family Center on your Snapchat app on an Android phone. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So this is an issue on an Android phone where when you tap on Family Center on Snapchat, it goes to a black screen. The screen stays there for a while and then kicks out of Snapchat. On an iPhone, this is not an issue and you're able to activate Family Center. However, I have fixed the issue on my Android phone, but it does not let you activate Family Center. It just takes you to a Snapchat parent guide website. My understanding is that Snapchat has not developed this for Android phones yet. So let me show you how to resolve the black screen issue on your Snapchat. The first step is to clear your cache on your Android phone. You can do this by going into Settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, find Snapchat and tap on it. Then tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache at the bottom. After this step, try and open up Snapchat and see if Family Center is working. If not, then move on to the next step. In the second step, you need to update your Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your Play Store and updating it there. After the update, go ahead and try Snapchat and see if Family Center is working or not. In the third step, you need to uninstall your Snapchat app and re-download it again from the Play Store. After this, go ahead and try Snapchat and see if Family Center loads or not. Lastly, if that does not work, then you need to go ahead and download the older version of Snapchat and see if Family Center loads up there. I have the link to the older version of Snapchat in the video description down below. Don't forget to uninstall the current version, then go to the page and download the older version. Next, install it and then see if Family Center is working or not. Hopefully, by following my steps on this video, you'll be able to resolve the issue with the black screen on Family Center on Snapchat. And that is how to resolve the black screen issue on your Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.